Oke, all student, good morning. Salam, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Meet again with me in science subject. Before start class as in the morning today, we pray moreover formally in accordance trust each of us. Start praying. Finish. Now I will check presence from every student. Not attendance today. Oh. Okay. At this meeting, we will learn about digestive system. Is already anyone knows about what that's the digestive system? Okay, Chandra.
The digestive system is a collection of organs responsible for breaking down food into nutrition that can be absorbed by the body and recovering on cellular base.
Okay, thank you, Chandra. Applause for Chandra. Okay, children, did you have breakfast today?
Yes.
Do you know how body processing food after your breakfast? Okay, today we will learn about digestive system, body processing food after we eat. Before that, learn system digestion on significant benefits in daily life. This is including optimal health, adequate nutrition, management, distribution, digestion, comprehensive again mental health and prevention disease. In this moment, we will watch videos related to the.
It is no secret that
In this moment, we will watch videos related to the digestive process food in the digestive system.
it is no secret that I love the platypus. Many know that the platypus is this cool mammal that can lay eggs. And then you might explore further to find out that, wow, the males can have venomous spurs on their legs. What? Okay, now you might be thinking, this is a video about digestion and not platypuses. This is a video on digestion, which brings me to this question. Do you know that if you do define stomach as an organ that contains gastric glands and produces gastric juice, then the platypus would be considered to not have a stomach? Fascinating. We've included some links to science articles on papers on this topic to learn more and why they may have evolved this way. But when I'm mentioning this about the platypus, was your first thought, well, does that mean they don't have a digestive system? Because a lot of times when we think about digestion in animals, whether it be a platypus or human, we tend to think about just the stomach. In fact, maybe that's most of all we think about with the word digestion. We shouldn't, because digestion in mammals is so much more than the stomach, for both the platypus and the human. What do I mean? Tune in, it's time to take a tour of major digestive structures, and this tour specifically will be the digestive system of another mammal, the human digestive system. In the human digestive system, we're going to focus on its ability to accomplish four major tasks: ingestion, digestion, absorption, and elimination. Ingestion is the taking in of food we eat. Digestion is when biomolecule polymers, remember the four major biomolecules, are broken down physically or chemically into their building blocks. In absorption, they are absorbed. Absorption is important as nutrients will eventually be delivered with the help of other body systems to cells, as cells need In elimination, waste, which includes anything that wasn't digested, we remove. With ingestion in humans, food is brought into the mouth. Your mouth can release saliva even in thinking about food. Digestion actually starts in the mouth because your saliva contains enzymes that break down some biomolecules. Salivary amylase, for example, breaks down some carbohydrates. This is a form of chemical digestion. But you also have mechanical digestion happening in the mouth. Mechanical digestion is when you have something visibly breaking the food down. That would be your teeth. Your teeth help grind that food out. Saliva is a very underrated thing. Not only does it have enzymes in it, but it has buffers to counteract acidity in your mouth. The thing is that can help tooth decay. In fact, a condition known as dry mouth can be hazardous for your teeth. Saliva also helps repeat food, which is awesome because your tongue will help shape that food into a little ball called the bolus. The bolus will be swallowed, and when it is, it will travel down the esophagus. Your body has this really cool flap called the epiglottis, which blocks your windpipe, otherwise known as your trachea. When swallowing food, you don't want food to go down the trachea, and it so happens that your trachea and your esophagus are in real close proximity, so that epiglottis is indispensable. Peristalsis, which are those wave-like movements made by smooth muscle, happens in the esophagus and helps move that food down to the stomach. An adult human stomach can store an estimated 2 liters of food in liquid. It's acidic in here. Chemical digestion definitely occurs here with the stomach's gastric juices, which includes hydrochloric acid and the enzymes such as pepsin, which breaks down proteins. There's mechanical digestion too, the churning of the stomach, which helps bathe the contents of those gastric juices. The resulting substance is known as chyme. A few interesting things about the human stomach. There's a sphincter that separates the esophagus from the stomach, and there's also another sphincter that separates the contents in the stomach from the intestines. We're about to go there now, but are you wondering why doesn't the stomach digest itself? That's specialized cells for you. You have these amazing cells that line the stomach and divide off it and make a protective insulator. Okay, so the chyme. It's going to leave that second sphincter and onto the intestines. Indigestion is what the small intestine does best. All 3 major parts of it: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. By the way, since they're not known everywhere, I like to use DJ Ivan. Oh, the one I did in my mind. Anyway, here there will be significant chemical digestion of all 4 biomolecules: carbs, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. There are enzymes involved here and digestive juices that are released here in other organs, such as the gallbladder, liver, and the pancreas. There will also be mechanical digestion too, because peristalsis moves the chyme through the segmented space. But after finishing digestion here, it's time for absorption. Most nutrient absorption happens in the small intestine. And if you're wondering what exactly are some things that could be absorbed, just a few examples could be glucose and fructose, those are sugars, or amino acids, those are building blocks of proteins. It could be electrolytes and vitamins and lipids. I could go on. Absorption occurs through the lining of the small intestine, which has projections called villi, and the villi themselves have microvilli. Shape is so amazingly significant here, as it often is in biology, because the shape here allows them to have lots of surface area for absorbing nutrients. They are also very vascular, meaning they have capillaries running through them, so the nutrients can be taken up by those capillaries and transported. As we move along, we eventually enter the large intestine, also known as the colon. The large intestine is home sweet home to a lot of harmless and beneficial bacteria in our bodies. Some of these good bacteria even make some vitamins. But the major function of the large intestine, it involves water. The large intestine's major role is to reabsorb water, so the body will not lose all of this precious water involved in digestion. Feces are composed of undigested contents and can contain other substances, and can include the bacteria that we mentioned. The very end of the large intestine is the rectum, and feces will remain here until they are expelled from the anus. So now we've finished that last step of digestion, elimination. Now obviously there's more to the digestive system than this. As with most of our videos, we can't cover all the details. However, there are just a few things that we'll squeeze in here. We mentioned that organs like the gallbladder, liver, and pancreas release digestive juices in digestion. While they may be called excessive mere accessories, they have extremely important functions. The liver is your largest internal organ, and it has functions beyond the digestive system. But in the digestive system, it's involved in carbohydrate and protein metabolism. It also produces bile, which helps to break down lipids. The gallbladder stores the bile. The pancreas produces pancreatic juices that have important digestive enzymes and neutralize acid ions. In addition to mentioning these accessory organs, there are an assortment of hormones at work in the digestive system to explore. It's also likely that you will learn of disorders that involve the digestive system. Celiac disease, which often involves an issue with the small intestine. Diverticulitis, which often involves an issue with the large intestine. And heartburn, also known as gastroesophageal reflux disease, which often involves an issue with the contents from the stomach entering the esophagus. These all affect the function of the digestive system. You can explore more of these scientific details. Having an understanding of the amazing human digestive system helps us better understand how to help when the system does not function as it should. Well, that's it for the Viva Sisters. We invite you to stay curious.
Okay. After saw the video, did anyone want to ask relate things in the video that haven't been done yet? Understood? Okay. For more understand again, so take a look explanation material to be ideal. Digestive system. The digestive system is an internal organ system that decides food, digests it into energy and nutrients, and excretes the rest of the process from the anus. Basically, the food digestion system in the human body occurs along the digestive tract and is divided into three parts, namely the process of destroying food which occurs in the mouth and stomach. Next is the process of absorbing food essence that occurs in the intestines. Then the process of expelling food remains from the anus. Digestive system organs. The organs and glands that support the digestive process form a digestive system. The system consists of the oral cavity, throat, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Apart from it, there are several glands, namely the salivary glands, like liver and pancreatic glands. The function of the digestive system. The digestive tract function as follows: while processing food, our mouth breaks down food into nutrients, mouth and stomach. 3 absorb nutrients into the bloodstream, intestine, and 4 removes the indigestible parts of food from the body. 1 is mouth. The mouth is an important organ in the human digestive system, which has several functions. A number of functions of the mouth in the digestive system are chewing, swallowing and digesting food, and drink before it reaches the stomach. The mouth is the first organ in the digestive tract. The tongue consists of 3 parts, namely radix lingua, dorsum lingua, and apex lingua. Number 2 is esophagus. Esophagus is a straight, muscular, thick wall tube that connects the pharynx to the stomach. The function of the esophagus is to carry mass food from the mouth to the stomach. And number 3 is stomach. The stomach is an important organ in the human digestive system which plays a role in many things. Some of the functions of the stomach in the digestive system are to accommodate food and drink, process it, and push food to the intestines for further absorption of food. Number 4 is small intestine. The small intestine is a part of the digestive system that has an important role. One of which is an organ that plays a role in the process of absorbing nutrients from food and drink. This organ is the longest part of the digestive tract, located between at the bottom of the stomach. Number 5 is colon. The large intestine is the final part of the human digestive system. This organ has various functions such as absorbing fluids and vitamin and forming stool. This function occurs because of the role of each main part in the larger intestine, namely the cecum, colon, and rectum. Number 6 is rectum. The anus is a hole at the end of the digestive tract, which is where was exit the body. Part of the anus is formed from the surface of the body or skin, and the other part is formed from the intestines. A muscular rings or anal sphincter keeps the anus closed. Okay. At this meeting, I will share into 2 groups with no different religion students. This is group 1 and this is group 2. Chandra,
Yes.
can you move? Okay. Each group can access the link that will I drop in WhatsApp group that is related to the student worksheet that will be done each group. Every group will given time 8 minutes for discuss work on the worksheet.
Good. Absolutely good.
Okay, discussion is done. Due to the length of the time, discussion can be continued at home. And this learning in the morning today is done. How do you feel about studying science on the day?
Happy, really happy, sir.
Happy.
Okay, thank you for your attention before and learning on the day. Come on, pray in accordance each other's belief. Start praying. Finish. Thank you and see you the next meeting.